What's up you guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video I'm going to be doing a super simple install, and the reason why is because I actually damaged this part on my truck. So in today's video I'm going to be fixing it. If this happened to you guys, I do have a discount code through this company, so go check out the description box below. The cool thing about this company is they do make them in different colors, so if you guys like it at the end, go ahead and purchase it. It's in the description box below. Let's get right into it. Before we get started, I want to go ahead and show you some of the products that they also make. They make these for the TACOMAs, which is the tailgate insert letters right there. The other products that they make are going to be the door sill protectors, which are right there. As you can tell, they are custom made, of course. Another product that they do is the insert right here on the TACOMA for the glove box. It looks really good and it adds a touch inside. And of course, they do make different products, so check out the website. So now that we're back at the garage, let me go ahead and show you the damage before we get into the install. So if you guys do have a TRD Pro skid plate like me, this install is going to be for you. As you can tell, right here is basically where it got damaged. Did get scraped up a little bit, but this is my main concern. I mean, the R completely fell off, and it looks like the T is about to come off as well. It's going to be a super simple install, really nothing too hard. I just wanted to show you guys because if someone out there does have the same problem, or if you want to go ahead and change, of course, the color out on these TRD logos here, you could, because this company does have it, and I do have a discount code for you guys. What this is held in with is with like some type of clip, as you can tell there, and also double-sided tape. So they're pretty easy to take off, just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and now remove this one as well, and once I do that, I'm gonna clean off the surface really good, so that way we could go ahead and do the brand new install. Just in case your guys' isn't falling off and you want to, of course, just go ahead and change yours out. They're gonna be really tight on there, so what you want to do is get some type of flat tool, or maybe like a flathead screwdriver, and just kind of pry it in there, and it pops right off. Once you have a little bit of leverage, you can go ahead and just literally peel it right off. It's not held in there too tight. Just like that. And that's it. So now I'm gonna, of course, like I stated, clean off the surface really good, so that way the next one bonds really good to the surface. Before we get into the install, I want to show you. So of course it does come like this. As I stated, they do have it in different colors. For this one, I did get it in gloss TRD red, of course. But the company is Tufskinz. They do make different products, like I showed you guys right now. These are basically going to be installed. It's like double-sided tape, and it's pretty cool because it's really easy to install these, and the adhesive that they use is really strong, so it will bond. Let's go ahead and start the process. For this step, you do want to go ahead and make sure you clean the whole surface off really good. The better you clean this, of course, the better it is going to bond to it. I did find out that if there is some glue residue, you can use your fingernail, and it does remove pretty easily. You still have some left over right here like this. You could hit it with the heat gun and then remove it. I'm going to also be using some alcohol. You can also use adhesive remover. That'll also help you out. Of course, once you've cleaned it off as best as you could, now you want to go ahead and get your letter, flip it around, and it is, of course, as I stated, double-sided tape. So you just want to go ahead and peel off one end and literally stick it right on. This part is super easy. And just like that, it's like brand new once again. As you can tell, it looks like nothing happened as far as the letters, of course, because the scrapes are still there. But as far as the letters, it looks really good. If you do want to purchase it, description box below, and there's also a discount code for anything on their website. So even if you don't want this, go check it out. They have many other products. All right, so I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. I know it was super quick and super easy, but I just wanted to show you guys that it was a quick fix. Now the truck is looking brand new. I can go ahead and take awesome pictures once again, of course. Thanks to Tufskinz once again. Check them out. They're awesome. Check them out on Instagram and Facebook, of course, as well. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.